Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the comparison of Prototherians, Metatherians and Eutherians. We are going to discuss about the learning outcomes, introduction, key characteristic features, classification of mammals, Prototherians, what are Metatherians, Eutherians, comparison table of the different mammals, evolutionary differences, reproductive strategies of mammals, ecological significance of mammals, and some questions based on the present topic and conclusion. After completing this presentation, you will be able to differentiate between Prototherians, Metatherians, and Eutherians. You will be able to explain the reproductive and evolutionary characteristics of each group, and you can understand the ecological roles and significance of these three groups. Hello everyone, I am Dr. P. Rosina George, Assistant Professor in Zoology, St. Joseph College for Women, Visakhapatnam. Let's discuss about who are mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates that possess mammary glands, hair or fur, and 3 middle ear bones. And the key characteristic features of mammals are there is presence of hair or fur, mammary glands, and they give live birth for most of the species, and there is 3 middle ear bones present in the mammals. Let's discuss about the classification of mammals. There are different types of mammals which belongs to different subclasses like Prototherians. Examples of Prototherians are Echidna, Platypus, etc. Then Metatherians, examples like kangaroo, koala. Eutherians like elephants, bats, whales, etc. Who are Prototherians? They are also called as monotremes. Prototherians are egg-laying mammals. Some examples we have already seen, platypus, echidna, etc. And the key characteristic features of Prototherians are they are egg-laying mammals, that is they lay eggs unlike most mammals. And there is a single opening for excretion and reproduction which is called as a cloaca. And milk is produced with the help of mammary glands, and it is secreted through the skin. And there are certain reptilian features like they lay leathery eggs and they possess a low metabolic rate. Let's see who are Metatherians. Metatherians are also called as marsupials. They give birth to relatively undeveloped young, which then continue developing in a pouch-like structure. Some examples are kangaroos, koalas, Tasmanian devils, etc. The key characteristic features of Metatherians are they have a short gestation period, that is the young are born at an early stage of development, and these youngs are carried in a pouch or on the mother's body for further development. And they have a unique reproductive system where there is the presence of 2 vaginas and a bifurcated reproductive tract. And milk is produced in teats, but there is no placental connection. Eutherians are placental mammals, and they have a longer gestation period and fully developed young ones are present. Some examples are humans, elephants, dogs, whales. The key characteristic features of Eutherians are there is a special structure called placenta which provides nutrients and which also helps to remove waste for the fetus during pregnancy. They have a longer gestation period, that is, the youngs are born at a more advanced stage of development compared to Metatherians. Sexual reproduction occurs inside the body, with sperms fertilizing the eggs internally. That is, they have internal fertilization. Eutherians include both terrestrial and aquatic species, and they show diverse range of species. This is a comparison table of all the three types of subclasses of mammals, that is Prototherians, Metatherians and Eutherians. You can have a pause and you can compare all the three subclasses. Let's discuss what are the key evolutionary differences among the three subclasses of mammals. Prototherians, these are generally early branch of mammals, and they have a combination of reptilian and mammalian traits. Whereas Metatherians are more adapted to live in diverse environments like Australia, and they have a unique method of young ones' development and nurturing. And Eutherians are the more advanced mammalian lineage, and they are highly diverse and they are successful due to the presence of placenta. Let's see the reproductive strategies among the mammals. Evolutionary strategy for survival in ancient environment is the strategy for Prototherians, as they are egg-laying mammals. Metatherians they have short gestation period, which favors rapid reproduction and adaptability. Whereas Eutherians, they have extended gestation period, which allows for more developed offspring and which increases the survival chances among them. Let's discuss about the ecological significance of mammals. Prototherians, they are important for understanding early mammalian evolution, whereas Metatherians play significant roles in ecosystems like Australia, and they are often present as herbivores and predators. And Eutherians are the dominant group of mammals in most ecosystems globally. Now take a break and try to answer these questions. What is the unique feature of Metatherians compared to Prototherians and Eutherians? The answer is they give birth to highly underdeveloped young ones. How do Prototherians differ from Eutherians? Answer: Prototherians have a cloaca, while Eutherians have separate openings for reproduction and excretion. In conclusion, mammals have evolved into three main groups with distinct reproductive strategies, as Prototherians, Metatherians, and Eutherians. The evolutionary success of Eutherians is it's largely due to their placental development, while Metatherians and Prototherians offer unique insights into the origin of mammals. These are some of the references, and these are the web links. Thank you.